Tired of a cluttered taskbar? What if your Windows 11 taskbar could do more? Today, I'll show you how to create your favorite group folders on the taskbar and transform your desktop experience. First, go to the following link, download App Group and install it. Click the plus icon, then click the plus icon again and load your favorite shortcuts. To add more apps, open the Start menu, right-click the program you want to add, and select Open File Location. From there, simply drag and drop the programs you want to use as shortcuts. Now, create a group name. Click the square-shaped icon and choose any icon you like. You can use a custom icon or simply apply the grid icon. Then hit Save. To create a taskbar shortcut, just drag and drop the group onto the taskbar. If you want, you can further customize the folder by changing the columns, enabling the header, showing labels, and more. There are also a few other settings you may want to check out. You can access them from here. That's it. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to leave a like and comment down below. See you in the next one.